Hi, Mark and Brian here again at Fitness for Life PT.
And we're going to show you the third set of exercises that you can start.
After a total hip replacement.
Thank you. That's exactly right. So, now this is going to again be following your precautions, so these are going to be safe exercises you can do. But with that being said, you still are always going to check with your physician, so your surgeon, because they're going to have the final say with when and what they think you can start doing after your surgery. So with that in mind though, we're assuming that you can start this exercise, and it's going to be following your precautions like we said. It's very safe, but you need to start training these muscles to start returning back on, because of swelling with pain. These muscles lose their ability to fire as well. So you got to start retraining that. You also have to start retraining these joints and muscles, because they give you position sense, so where everything is in space when you're doing this, because you lose that ability also. So another safe exercise, we're going to have Brian go to the wall. He's going to take a step forward with his right foot. Okay, so not a large step. Now we're going to call his left side still his surgical side. So this is the side that he just had surgery on. He's going to put his forearms against the wall, so he's going to have a little bit of a lean into the wall. What he's going to do then is he's going to just slide his forearms up as he lets his body come forward, and he's bending his knee back here. You'll notice then as he does this that his femur, so his upper leg bone, is still straight up and down, meaning he's not going into hyperextension, so he's not pulling his leg back where he's not supposed to be doing that after that anterior approach. So he's still keeping his hip in a nice neutral position, but he's training his muscles to start turning on just by sliding these arms up, because that'll also help you start stretching the front and start teaching these muscles how to turn on for you. Get a nice safe exercise. You're supported against the wall, so you're going to be safe. But you can do this 5 to 10 reps.
And I'm kind of pushing off my toe and squeezing my glutes at the same time.
So with that, he's starting to turn these muscles on. Okay? The thigh is going to be contracting as he does that. His lower leg is going to be contracting as he does that. So this is also a good exercise to start for learning how to re-walk, because this is simulating to a degree how you walk. So very good exercise. It's the surgical leg that is back, okay, as you do this. So if you have further questions, what do we do?
Contact us at fitnessforlifept.com.